Hey everybody, welcome back and happy Saturday. I hope everybody's doing amazing this Saturday afternoon. I'm doing great and you guys know the deal and you know why I'm here. I'm back to present you with more remote work opportunities and I have two great opportunities for you today. We're going to get straight into it. But before we do, if you have not taken advantage of my resume revamp and coaching special, definitely take advantage of it today because it is the last day. The special is going to end tomorrow. If you've been needing your resume revamped or you just want to learn more about how to navigate the remote job market from someone who has navigated this market for the last 15 years, definitely take advantage of my services. You can also scroll the bottom of the page and you can see other reviews from my happy clients. I would love to assist you. So the link is going to be in the description bar for you. So let's get into today's opportunities. The first one is coming from Harper Global, which is a premier professional and technology services provider focused on the legal industry, specializing in strategy, legal technology, operations, and intelligence. And so right now they have a no phone opportunity, which you know will not last. So get your application in ASAP. And it's going to be a data quality professional. So it doesn't have the best compensation, but when it comes down to jobs, you got to look at it as something that you can do for right now. It doesn't have to be a long-term thing. But, here is the hourly pay for you. Have that highlighted. And what you're going to be doing is logging in and completing assigned work each week according to the deadlines. You'll review and update client data accurately based on provided style guides. And you'll also be researching and validating information using internal and external data sources. You'll resolve data discrepancies. You'll merge duplicate records. And you'll follow standardized procedures for general data cleanup projects. And you're going to review audit feedback weekly, correcting any errors, and implementing coaching guidance. And you'll communicate issues or blockers proactively with your team. And so they do want 3+ years of professional work experience. Also being able to follow directions, be technically proficient, have pride in your work, and some college coursework or higher education experience is a preference. It's not a requirement. Experience with CRM systems is a preference. If you don't have that experience, training will be provided, which will be great because CRM systems is one of the major keywords that's needed for applicant tracking systems. So you definitely want to be trained on that and also make sure to have that on your resume. They would also prefer prior experience in a law firm, or they want you to be familiar with the legal industry, okay? So of course this is a fully remote position and they're saying that it has a flexible schedule as well, so great opportunity here. Let's move on to our next one, which is coming from Infinix. So this is an artificial intelligence powered revenue cycle management solution for healthcare providers, and they blend automated software agents with human medical billing experts. And so right now they have a medical records clerk opportunity. It's full time, and with this one right here, it's going to be remote or hybrid in Alabama. You're going to receive, review, and process requests for medical records from patients, also healthcare providers, insurance companies, also verify patient authorization forms and ensure legal requirements are met before releasing information. You'll maintain compliance with HIPAA and other federal, state, and organizational privacy regulations, and you'll retrieve, scan, copy, and transmit medical records through approved methods. You'll be documenting disclosures of protected health information and also responding to inquiries regarding medical record request and release procedures. And you'll maintain accurate logs and records of request, releases, and correspondence, and identify and escalate complex privacy or compliance issues when necessary. So you'll be collaborating with the health information management staff, providers, and other departments, and they're going to need a high school diploma or GED. An associate's degree is preferred. Working knowledge of ICD-10 diagnosis and procedure coding, and CPT and HCPCS coding systems, knowledge of medical terminology, anatomy, and physiology, and also the ability to recognize documentation associated with coding, billing, audits, and reimbursement requests, experience in healthcare, medical records, customer service, and knowledge of HIPAA, privacy regulations, and medical terminology, and proficiency with electronic health record systems and Microsoft Office applications. So these are all of the opportunities that I have for you guys today. I will be back tomorrow with 2 more opportunities for you. And don't forget that I do include these on a blog post on my website. That link is in the description bar of every single video. And again, don't forget to take advantage of my resume revamp and coaching special that ends tomorrow. I look forward to assisting you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Good luck to everyone who gets to apply for the jobs.